So I'm going to tell you the
Ma'am,
answer
I
of the
have
previous
done
class.
this.
Anushka, please switch off your mic. Okay. In 5 upon 8, here 8 is what? In the previous class we have done this. It is what? Denominator.
One denominator.
Denominator. Down one, denominator. Upper one is known as numerator. In 6 upon 7, 6 is what? 6 is numerator. 6 is up, that means
Ma'am,
it's
numerator.
numerator. Numerator. Numerator. In 9 upon 10, what is 10? It is down, that means it
Ma'am,
is what?
denominator.
Denominator. Denominator. Okay, in 1 upon 5, 1 is the?
Ma'am, one is the numerator.
1 is the numerator. Okay, done? See this, see your answers. Now we are going to do the next question.
Ma'am, I have all correct.
I'm not asking. I've already checked it in the previous class. So no need to tell this one. Okay, so I'm going to rub this now. We're going to do question number C. Now question C, leave one line. If you have a space there only, you can leave one line, draw ending line and then leave one line. Draw the ending line there and we will start with question number C now. We are going to start with question C. Question C. Okay, write this. Write the fraction. Now you have to form a fraction. Write the fraction. Okay, question 1 is, in first part I'm going to write numerator and denominator. From next time onwards, we are going to write short form. N for numerator, D for denominator. In the first part, we are going to use full form, numerator. Numerator is equals to 9 and put like this. This is semicolon. Okay, put this semicolon and denominator is, wait a second, we can do it another way. Beta, wait. We can do it another way. It will be easy for you all. You need not to write numerator and denominator again and again. You just simply write. Acha, write it. Because I'll change it. I'll change some of the things. Okay. Write numerator is equals to 9. And this semicolon, just put this semicolon and write denominator is equals to.
Even between the light is coming too much.
No, it will not come. Abhi, wait for some time. Be patient. Okay, now the second question will be denominator. I'm not writing the full. Okay, I'm going to write D and N. I'm going to write denom, not the full D also. I'm going to write denominator like this D. Denom. You can do it the same way as I am doing. You can do it the same way, exactly the same way, as you wish. It's all upon your wish.
Okay.
Denominator is 5 and numerator is equals to 2. And write the fraction here. You have to write down the fraction here. Then third part is numerator is equals to 2. Put a semicolon and denominator is equals to 3. Fourth, denominator is equals to 1. Is equals to 4 4 behavior. That should be 2. 2 and numerator, it will be equals to 1. Write down its answer here. Write down the answers here. It's all your wish. How do you want to make write it down? It's totally upon your wish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we have to write the fraction in first one also.
Obviously, yes. Why not?
Okay, ma'am.
Every answer is compulsory. There are 11 student present. I want the answers of all 11 students. Beta, question number D we will do in book. So what you are going to do after this, draw the line and write down question D in book. And write down the page number also, page 75. Done in book, page 75. Just write this. After doing this, write this also. So that you may remember why we have not done question B, because it is given in book. No need to draw this. This is very easy and given in book.
Ma'am, after doing, we have to post work.
नहीं अभी wait.
Mama, I have done the C part, so I have to write D part like this. You have written in the board.
Yes, exactly what I have written, you have to write same. Whatever is written on board, you have to write it in the same way. Today is Monday, right? So I'm going to tell
Mama,
you. Okay, everyone knows Anushka. Okay, tell me what is the answer of first one quickly. Numerator 9, denominator
9 upon 13.
9 upon 13 is the answer.
13.
Denominator 5 and numerator 2. What will be
Ma'am,
the
2
answer?
upon 2.
Ma'am, 2 upon 5.
Ma'am, 2 upon 5.
See, don't get confused here. I have not written the numerator first. In your book, numerator is given
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
Numerator I
Ma'am,
have
I'm not
given afterwards, but it will come up. And denominator is 5, so it will come down. So don't get confused here. Numerator 2, that means what?
2 upon 3.
Ma'am, 2 upon
3.
3.
Numerator 1 and
Ma'am,
denominator 2.
1 upon 2. 1 upon 2.
Ma'am, 1
Now-
upon 2.
Very good. Now, open your books, page number 75, quickly.
I'm opened.
Open your
Ma'am,
book, page number 75. Question D, again I'm telling you, question D we are going to do in maths book only. We are not going to do question D in notebook. That's why I have written, and it is compulsory to write here, because you will come to know where is question D. You will ask this question, where is question D? Question D is done in book. So I'm going to rub this and write question D in book.
Post this work.
Who is this? Okay. Question. You will write now. Question. No need to write in book. Take out books. In book, page 75. Take out your books, page number 75. Okay, beta, one more. See here. As I told you, first of all, look here, everyone. As I told you, what are fractions? Fractions means equal division. What fraction means? Fraction means equal division. Equal division.
Division.
Okay, equal division is known as fraction. Okay, suppose there is one, as you told me, there is one big pizza. Okay, one big pizza is divided into 1, 2, 3 parts. It is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so we write the number of parts it is divided, we write it here. Okay, and this part, this is one part. This is one part of it. So one should be written over here.
Ma'am, your video stop.
Om, I think your network is not coming properly. So please don't speak like that in between. If my video stop, please type in the chat box. Okay. Next time, don't disturb like this. I think your network is not good. Is my video stopped, everyone?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is working.
No, ma'am. It is working clearly.
Okay. So
No,
1/3 out of total parts. If you color 2 parts out of it, that means how many parts out of 3 parts? How many are shaded? 2/3 are shaded. 2/3 are shaded part. 2/3 is the shaded one. And if I ask you non-shaded part, how much part is non-shaded, Anushka? Tell me quickly. How much part is an unshaded one, not shaded? Anushka, tell me. Anushka?
Ma'am, 2 parts.
2 parts. 2 parts are not shaded. What fraction?
No,
Anushka, I'm
ma'am.
asking
2 parts
you?
is shaded, 1 part is not shaded.
Beta, what is the fraction? What is the fraction for this?
Ma'am, 1/2.
1/2.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Anushka. Out of the total parts, 1, 2, 3. How many total parts are there? 3 parts.
Ma'am,
are
3.
there. Out of 3,
1
one is
upon
not
3.
shaded. Not shaded, I'm asking.
Not.
Not shaded. I'm asking about non-shaded. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now open your books, page number 75. You can see this picture. Okay? Let me do one thing. Let me share the screen with you. Just give me a minute. I'm going to share the screen of. So you can see if this is the picture given in your book on page number 75, question B. Okay. Let me start. Okay. So first one, if you can see here, what is it? Okay. How many parts are there? Count them. How many parts are there? 1. Count.
Ma'am,
I'm 6.
6.
2. Is it divided?
Ma'am, 6.
4.
4.
Yes.
5. 6.
5 and 6. How many total parts are there? 6. So you will
Ma'am,
write
6.
6 in the denominator. You will write 6 in the
And ma'am, 2 in
denominator.
the numerator.
And how many
2
are
is
there?
the numerator.
ओम क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? Please stop it.
Ma'am, 2 is the numerator.
What are you doing, Om?
Ma'am, what I do?
Okay, see 1, 2. How many are there in the numerator?
Ma'am,
We have to
2.
fraction. See, in question is given. In each picture, read the question always. Because इसमें ये भी दिया हो सकता है कि आपको not colored वाला बताना हो. So fraction that is colored you have to tell. How many are colored? 1 is colored and this is the second one. It is colored. How many are colored?
Ma'am,
How many are colored?
2.
2 are colored.
Ma'am,
What you
2.
will write here? What you will write here?
Ma'am,
2 upon 6.
2 upon 6.
numerator and
Okay,
6
one
is
by one, I'll
denominator.
ask each one of you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Pratyusha, tell me the second one. I'm going to give permission to you.
Second.
ऐसे नहीं
And the
Pratyusha,
second-
ऐसे नहीं Pratyusha. You have to
Ma'am, I
explain,
have to
beta.
write it.
You just yes. Ask me the permission. Ask permission from me. Is it coming?
How?
Abhi, I'm going to
No,
give you remote control. Pratyusha na? Okay. Pratishtha, Pratyush, Pridyansh, कहाँ गई? Pratyusha. Okay. Now you can write Pratyusha. The second one.
Ma'am, there is no option to write.
Beta, draw option आ रहा है? Draw.
No, ma'am.
Yes, it is coming at the top.
No, ma'am, it is not coming in mine.
Beta, अभी आप ये controlling. Wait. Here it is not coming. Pratyusha, control my screen. There is an option one given to you. Okay, wait a minute. Let me give this to Hridyansh. Okay, Pratyusha, wait a second, beta. Let me give this control to Hridyansh. Hridyansh, I'm giving to you. You are going to write it. Where is it? Hridyansh, write the second one.
Mama, I know.
Okay, Hridyansh, do
Mama, I
it.
know the answer.
Mama, I also know all the answers of the questions.
Mama, I
also know the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. Hridyansh, are you able to write? Yes or no? Hridyansh, are you able to write? Beta? Take it, Hridyansh. Write it now. Are you able to write? Yes or no? I don't think so. He's able to write.
Successfully.
Who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am Anushka.
What is going on? Okay, I'm going to give you this permission to write. Okay, now you can write, Pratyusha. See if you can write the second one.
Yes, Mama.
Write the second one answer. Nobody else will write except Pratyusha.
Okay.
Use the option draw and write
Yes,
it.
Mama.
Very good. You have to explain it also. No, Pratyusha, rub it. You have to explain it also. Rub it. Erase it. Okay, I'm going to erase it. Leave it. Yeah. Now draw. Explain the second one, Pratyusha. Hridyansh, stop it.
In the second one, there are
Use
9
the
boxes.
beta use your this color and then explain.
Okay. In the second box, there are 9 boxes.
Yes, like this you explain. 1,
And
2, 3. Like this you explain. Yes.
4,
Good. Yes.
5,
Yes.
6, 7,
Yes. Yes.
8, and 9.
Yes. Very good.
5 are
Excellent.
colored boxes and 4 are uncolored.
Ah.
So the numerator will be 5 and the denominator will be 9.
No, beta. Yes. Beta, first of all, we always write the denominator. We always write denominator first. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, Anjali, tell me the third one. Anjali, Hardyansh, stop it. Anjali, tell the second one.
There are 6 boxes.
Use the beta drawing method. Anjali, like Pratyusha has done. Similarly, you have to show.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, be quick. This meeting is going to be over.
Ma'am, can I do?
हाँ बेटा.
He's not doing.
Ma'am, can I do?
कौन बोल रहा है? Can I do? भविष्य.
Ma'am, Bhavishya.
Okay, Bhavishya, do it. Okay, Bhavishya, do it. Anjali, wait. Let Bhavishya do it.
Ma'am, there are 6 boxes.
करके दिखाओ जैसे अभी प्रत्युषा ने किया वैसे you have to do.
Ma'am, 1, 2,
Good.
3,
Very good, Bhavishya.
4,
Very good.
5,
Yes.
6.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, 4 are colored and ma'am,
Yes.
2 is not colored.
Okay. So what will be the fraction?
Ma'am, 4/6.
लिखो. Write down in the box. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay, Vedant, do the fourth one.
And there are 8 boxes.
Count them like he, she, they both have done. Pratyusha and Pravishan. Do in the same way.
Ma'am, there is some problem. Can I join it again?
Yeah, sure. Do it, Vedant. Are you able to do? Are you able to draw? Vedant? Okay, let me give it. Pratyush, क्या हो रहा है ये? What is going on, Pratyush? I don't want any such type of nuisance in the class.
Ma'am, can I do?
Wait, Om. Om, do it. Om, do it. Om, you do it quickly. Vedant, now you don't do it. Wait. क्या कर रहे हो Om? Stop it. Do it, Om. भविष्य अपना ही आंसर अब करे
There are one,
हाँ good Om.
two,
Good.
3,
Yes.
4,
Good.
5,
Good.
and 6,
And 6.
7, and 8. There are 8 boxes. So in denominator we will write 8.
Good.
And the color boxes are 4.
Yes.
Then we will write in numerator 4.
Very good. Very good Om. Okay, now let me. If somebody else want to try the next one, Anushka. Okay, Anushka, do it. Fifth one. Do the fifth one, Anushka. क्या हो रहा है ये? क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? हाँ, Anushka, you can do it now. Anybody else wants to try? They may raise their hand in their videos. Huh?
Mom, I want to try.
Okay,
Can
Anjali, try. Anjali, try.
Ma'am, next can I try?
Who is speaking? Anjali?
Ma'am, after Anjali, I want to try. Ma'am, I will.
Are you telling me, Samar, or are you asking me?
Ma'am, I am asking.
This is not the way to ask. I will try. I will try, nahi? Ma'am,
Ma'am, I will.
Try. Okay?
Ma'am, I will doing fifth one.
Yes, do it. Anjali, correct. Who is writing this one?
There is. I also want to try. There is 8 boxes. 1, 2,
Okay, Anushka, good.
3,
Good, Anushka. Very good.
4,
Good.
5,
Good.
6,
Good.
7,
Uh,
8.
very good. 8 are there then.
There. And denominator is denominator is 8.
Good. And the numerator will be?
And 5 is numerator.
Very good. Okay, last one. Be quick. Only 1 minute is left. If somebody is going to be quick, Samar, try and be quick.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this, there are one.
Anushka, stop it now. Bhavishya, you also stop it. Bhavishya, start. Oh, sorry. Samar,
Ma'am, I
start.
cannot
Samar.
zoom it.
Arey beta, you will not be able to zoom it. Only I will be able to zoom it. Okay.
Can I try?
Okay. Samar, write properly. Samar, write. Pratyush, अभी बाहर कर दूंगी मैं क्लास से. हाँ, do it, Samar, quickly. Jaldi beta, only 1 minute, less than 1 minute is left. 1, okay, 2. Write down the only fraction, Samar. Write down only the fraction. No need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
quickly, so that everyone can see what is the fraction. It is 7 upon, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.